Wait. Did I just feel movement?
She's awake, Dr. Bailey. The patient's awake.
She suddenly woke up during surgery and looked around in terror. Bailey sternly reprimanded the anesthesiologist and told him to immediately give the patient more anesthesia. This was a serious medical accident, and the hospital would most likely be sued. After the surgery, the doctors began shifting blame to each other and could only pray that the patient would forget this incident. But no miracle occurred.
Where I could smell my own burning flesh. How was that? When I was lying there, unable to speak, well, I could actually feel you butchering my insides. I couldn't move. I was awake and couldn't move, and you had no idea.
And the doctors could only silently endure the patient's accusations. The anesthesiologist suggested rechecking the medication, but Bailey refused. She was convinced this was entirely his responsibility, and the hospital could face a lawsuit at any moment.
We expect to be able to trust the gas man, trust him to do his job so that we can do ours. We expect the gas man to stay awake at the switch, no matter how long and boring a procedure might be. We expect the gas man to stay focused enough to keep the patient unconscious.
Later, Bailey returned to the patient's room to check the woman's wound, but was met with fierce resistance.
I remember you screaming in surgery. You were panicking.
She's getting tachycardic.
Panicking with their hand inside my body.
The woman became so agitated that her wound burst open. Bailey wanted to examine it again but was refused, so she could only have Gray change the dressing. Before long, the anesthesiologist rushed over with the drug test report, wanting to prove his innocence. It turned out this woman had a special blood type, which caused her to metabolize drugs much faster than normal. Due to the wound opening and poor blood coagulation, she had to undergo a second surgery. But after learning the truth, she insisted that only Gray perform the operation on her.
You can do it.
What?
You were there. You stayed calm. You were kind.
Oh, Dr. Bailey is far more experienced.
She's not touching me. You have to promise me she won't touch me. You can do it. She can't.